Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking camping to the next level with a guide to the best inflatable air tents. If you're looking for a quick and easy setup, these air tents are perfect for hassle-free camping, offering stability, comfort, and modern features. We'll be showcasing top models that provide durability, weather resistance, and spacious interiors for all your outdoor adventures. Ready to find the perfect inflatable air tent for your next trip? Let's dive in. And as always, all the product links are in the description below. Number 5. Naturehike Air 12.0 Inflatable Tent. The Naturehike Air 12.0 Inflatable Tent is a top-tier choice for outdoor lovers seeking both comfort and convenience. Whether you're glamping, camping with family, or embarking on an adventure with friends, this tent is designed to provide a luxurious outdoor experience for up to 5 people. Spanning a spacious 13 square meters, this tent features a smart layout with one bedroom and a separate living room, making it ideal for longer stays in nature. Number 4. European-Style Folding Gazebo Portable Tent. The European-Style Folding Gazebo Portable Tent is the perfect addition to your outdoor setup. Whether you're planning a backyard gathering, a camping trip, or simply seeking shelter for a relaxing day outdoors. With its large and versatile space, this gazebo-style tent offers both comfort and protection, making it an ideal choice for small groups of 3 to 4 people. Constructed with high-quality 600D Oxford fabric featuring reflective mylar, this tent provides excellent insulation and weather resistance, keeping you comfortable no matter the season. The tent is rated for 4-season use, with a waterproof index exceeding 3,000 millimeters, so rain, wind, and even light snow won't interrupt your outdoor fun. Its sturdy frame, made from fiberglass poles, ensures durability while maintaining a lightweight design for easy transport. One of the standout features is the quick automatic opening system. Number 3. Mobi Garden Air Inflatable Tent. The Mobi Garden Air Inflatable Tent is a luxurious yet practical solution for outdoor enthusiasts who want a spacious, sturdy, and weather-resistant tent for family trips or long camping adventures. Known as the Cloud Villa 12.6, this inflatable tent offers ample room, top-tier materials, and smart design for a truly comfortable camping experience. With an impressive area of 12.6 square meters, 420 by 255 centimeters, the tent is perfect for accommodating 3 to 4 people, offering a spacious bedroom and a separate living room. Whether you're setting it up at a family park, a campsite, or a winter cabin retreat, this tent feels more like a cozy villa than a traditional camping tent. Its PVC air tube bracket system allows for easy inflation and setup, eliminating the hassle of complex poles. Just inflate, and you're good to go. The tent's construction is built for durability and weather protection. Number 2. Large Inflatable Air Cube Tent. The Large Inflatable Air Cube Tent is a standout choice for those looking to combine comfort, warmth, and practicality in their outdoor adventures. This tent has drawn the attention of over 5,100 shoppers for its unique features and unbeatable performance in cold weather, making it an ideal option for winter camping, family getaways, or any outdoor event. One of its major selling points is its winter insulation and warmth. Designed to keep you cozy even in harsh weather conditions, this tent offers an excellent balance of heat retention and breathability. Its isolation design not only enhances your warmth, but also provides a sense of privacy that's rare in large outdoor tents. Number 1. Naturehike Air 17.2 Glamping Inflatable Tent. The Naturehike Air 17.2 Glamping Inflatable Tent offers the perfect blend of luxury and functionality for outdoor enthusiasts looking to elevate their camping experience. With a spacious interior and an innovative design, this tent is an ideal choice for families or groups of up to 4 to 5 people seeking both comfort and durability. Crafted from premium 600D polyester and wear-resistant PVC, the Air 17.2 is built to withstand the demands of outdoor environments. Whether you're camping in the mountains or hosting a backyard gathering, the sturdy construction ensures that the tent remains resilient against the elements, making it a long-lasting investment for all your adventures. The tent boasts a 17 square meter area, providing plenty of room for a family or a group to spread out and relax. Its clever layout features a chimney hole. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe.